Alright, this is the wallpaper found on the box of the space gray M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch. And this is the wallpaper found on the silver box of the MacBook Pro 13-inch with M1. Now, I can't find these photos anywhere on the internet, and I noticed earlier that these wallpapers are really similar to the ones found on the 16-inch MacBook Pro from last year. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify the photos of the 16-inch MacBook Pro wallpapers to make it look like the M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch wallpapers. And I don't even think you can find those wallpapers on the system of the M1 MacBook Pro. So, yeah, let's get into the video. It's going to be really simple. And, yeah, let's go. Step 1, I've provided a Google Photos link down in the description, and I told you earlier in the video that the new M1 MacBook Pro wallpapers sort of look like the MacBook Pro 16-inch wallpapers from last year. So what you're going to do is you're going to get to this link and you're going to scroll down all the way to the MacBook Pro 16-inch, and you're going to download these two photos, or just one depending on which one you want. Next, you're going to import those photos into Photoshop, so I already have them imported. And what we're going to do is we are going to go to the Layers tab at the bottom right, and we're going to click on this little Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon, and we're going to choose Hue and Saturation. Now, in the Hue slider, you're going to move it down to -50. So let me just do that, -50. And there you go. There is the wallpaper found on the box of the MacBook Pro M1 Space Gray. And to do this for the silver one, you're going to do the exact same thing. So let me just do that. And there we go. So I hope you liked this really simple tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, wash your hands, take a shower, do whatever you need to do. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!